Shivakumar has been elected as the new leader of the Congress Legislative Party in Karnataka. The decision was taken during a CLP meeting held at the conference hall of Vidhana Soudha in Bengaluru on May 30th. At the meeting, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah proposed the name of DK Shivakumar for the post of CLP leader. The proposal was approved by Dr. G. Parameshwara and received unanimous support from all the legislators present. AICC General Secretary K.C. Venugopal later announced at a press conference that DK Shivakumar had been elected as the new leader of the Congress Legislative Party. Earlier, AICC General Secretary Randeep Singh Surjewala initiated the proceedings by stating that the selection of the new CLP leader would be carried out based on a proposal moved by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. The Chief Minister then moved a one-line resolution stating that the decision regarding the new legislative party leader be left to the discretion of the All India Congress Committee. The resolution was approved by Dr. G. Parameshwara and was unanimously supported by all legislators who expressed their approval by raising their hands. Following this, Surjewala announced a 10-minute break. During the break, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, AICC General Secretary K.C. Venugopal and Randeep Singh Surjewala held discussions in the Chief Minister's chamber. After the brief break, a formal process resumed and the election of the new CLP leader was completed. Subsequently, DK Shivakumar, after being elected, moved a resolution appreciating the services rendered by outgoing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah during his tenure as Chief Minister and sought the support of the House. The resolution was unanimously supported by all the legislators presented.
We had discussed the matter with the Congress High Command. Congress High Command suggested the name of DK Shivakumar, Deputy Chief Minister, as the leader of Congress Legislative Party. Siddaramaiah ji proposed the name of DK Shivakumar and Dr. Parameshwara seconded it. CLP again unanimously accepted the name moved by Siddaramaiah ji and seconded by Dr. Parameshwar. I would like to proudly announce that Karnataka Legislative Party unanimously elected DK Shivakumar as the leader of the Legislative Party of Karnataka Congress. Now he is going to the governor who is taking claim as a Chief Minister and is going to take oath as a Chief Minister along with his team on third evening. I am very glad to say that everybody thought that this transition going to be a trouble for Congress Party. Everybody anticipated that. Some of them, you people are also thought that big shake is going to happen in the Congress Party. Ours is a family. Ours is a family, it's a great family. Everybody was behind Siddaramaiah ji. What Siddaramaiah ji is going to do? But with one word he replied, in his heart only Congress is there. The decision of the Congress High Command, decision of the party is the decision of Siddaramaiah ji also. He proved it in a bigger way. This is the clear-cut Congress family's attitude. Today, Congress Legislative Party unanimously acknowledged the service of Siddaramaiah ji as a Chief Minister for the last 8 years. That resolution is moved by none other than DK Shivakumar. He moved a resolution congratulating Siddaramaiah ji for his excellent service as the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Certainly, this is the proud moment of the Congress Party. Honorable Congress President Mallikarjuna Kharge ji and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi ji and Sonia Gandhi ji are a guiding light for all of us. Under their guidance, smooth transition of power has been happened in Karnataka. Therefore, now onwards, under the leadership of D.K. Shivakumar, Congress is going to come back again in support of Siddaramaiah ji. You take it from us, 2028, Congress is going to come back again in Karnataka with the support of all leaders. This is what I want to say.